Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get this super lightweight, really easy and quick to do summer makeup. I find it's perfect because in the summer I don't want to wear heavy makeup. Like, who wants some really heavy caked on makeup when you're sweating? Let's be real, not me. So this is like mostly cream based. Like, I just think it's so much nicer in the summer. So if you want to know how I got this really nice glowy look, just keep on watching. So I've got this far, but my camera decided to like corrupt itself, and it like the bit of footage was just like a white screen, which is really annoying, but luckily we're not too far in. So I've literally just soaped my brows with pink honey, put on my Maybelline concealer all over, then I went in with, and so I used the Dark Tan bronzer by MAC with a CH10, and literally just really messily lob that in my crease. You don't have to be like clean with it, you could literally just lob it in. The brush does the work for you. And then I just took some face powder on a CH06 and I just patted that onto the lid to give a little bit of dimension. And then I applied some white liner into my waterline. So now we've got this far. With whatever's left of that Maybelline concealer, I'm literally just gonna put some under the eye. I've put my lashes on. This is it for eyes, literally just something really light. So it's like enough, you've made an effort but not too much. The focus is kind of more on like the skin, fresh summer skin. And I don't know about you, but I do not want to be putting on like thick, full, heavy makeup in the sun. I just want to like whiten my face because like I'm sweaty, like not a fan. So let's do that. Going in with some moisturiser. This is the Loreal Hydra. I bloody love this. Keeping your skin hydrated is important no matter what season it is, and I find makeup sits really nicely over this one, so it's perfect. I'm sorry if you can see my mirror, I think the back of it's really grubby,
just a little bit,
but otherwise I won't be able to see myself. I know when like YouTubers get like really big, they're able to have like all this fancy equipment, so they'll have like their really professional camera connected to like a video, like a
yeah,
computer screen, so like they can really see what they're doing. And like, fam, I ain't that bougie. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Urban Cover. Is that what's called? Whenever I look at it, because it's got like the word like Urban dream, it makes me think of Dream Matte Mousse, and it makes me laugh every time. But I love it. The like bottle, it says it's full coverage. Ignore it. It's not. It's medium. It's like light medium. But I love it. I think the finish is beautiful, and I love it. You know what I mean? Like, it gives me enough. If you've got like a big spot that's annoying you, I'd spot conceal with like a full coverage concealer and then still just use this, because I just don't feel like you need it, especially if you've put tan on. And like summer, like who wants to be really like caked in summer? Not me. I'll sweat it off in like 3 seconds. What is that? Oh, honey. Oh. It's my skin tag.
oh my god.
I thought it was like a piece of like string or something. I was like, what is that? And then I realised it's a part of me.
Oh my.
I feel like nobody talks about skin tags, like in all of this like filter free movement and everything. Like, everyone talks about spots and pores, but like nobody talks about skin tags. Like, can we accept skin tags too, please? Taking a little bit of concealer in a lighter colour just to conceal and pop up here, brighten my face, and I lift it up towards the edge this way because I feel like it helps give like a false facelift. So now I'm just taking a darker concealer. This is True Match. I'm holding so many things in my hands. This is True Match by L'Oreal. I really like the formula. And I'm just going to cream bronze with this. I find in summer doing most things with cream keeps everything feeling really light on your skin. Too much powders can make you feel really cakey and really hot. I will set it with a little bit of light bronzer, but I like to use minimal amounts and get the most of what I want with the cream. Just using a cream blush as well for the same reason. On the same brush, not even cleaning it in between, YOLOing it, nice and quick and easy. So this is the Jordanaticia, I was gonna say Base and Sparkle, but it's not, it's the powder duo. I love this stuff. It is actually insane. If you're wondering if it's worth it, yeah bitch, it's worth it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on a brush and try and look up at the same time. The bits that are the first kind of crack. Everywhere that I'd normally bake. Taking the same bronzer, that MAC Dark Tan, and I'm just gonna bronze. Right, so taking the CH10 with some of that same bronzer, and I'm just gonna lightly contour my nose. This brush is a game changer. I love it. I'm just gonna set the rest of my face so that it doesn't sweat off and melt off. Which is why I like to go light with the rest of the powder on my face so I don't feel too powdery and cakey, because the powder is what's going to make it last all day. You know what I mean? If you're just wearing it for like an hour or two, you want a picture, fine, like not setting it, you're grand, but if you don't set it, when you put your hand on it, it's going to slip off, it's going to come off in this heat. You do need to set it. Right, so I'm taking, oh, it's like a book. It's like a book of highlighters. The DollBeauty, I love these highlighters. Shit, what colour do I use? I'm darker than normal. I'm gonna mix this one with this one. For lips, I like to have definition, but I want it to feel like good, so I'm gonna do like a lip liner and like Vaseline combo, which I feel like is really accessible. So I'm just gonna line my lips. You know, some of the bigger YouTubers, they get people to edit for them, don't they? They have editors.
Yeah.
I would feel so awkward.
Yeah.
Like, sending the full footage, because I'm a proper weirdo. And, like, the things I talk about, the things I do, like, I'd just be so embarrassed having somebody else, like, have to sift through that.
Well, yeah, someone have to bloody filter out us talking about chicken not being available in the UK from McDonald's, and us talking about the CH on your brushes.
You know what I mean? Like,
I just would feel so uncomfortable someone hearing personal conversations. Usually people that do get someone else to edit it, they're usually close to it.
Do you think? I thought they just kind of like completely outsourced it.
I know, do you know, I don't know if you ever heard of them, Nikki and Gabby, but she gets her boyfriend to edit their videos.
Rob, learn video editing. This is a PSA to Robert and Robert only. Become more useful.
I would say I would do
than
it.
your 10 million thousand uses you already have.
Yeah, he cooks you food, love.
He does everything for me.
What more do you want
Can you do one more? I think that would be the what? Like that would be the thing. Like that would be the straw that broke the camel's back.
I mean, I would try, but that's effort.
Sorry, I'm using my nail to put this on instead of a brush. We keep it real on this channel. I've got clients that literally I don't have to instruct them, they just do it. Like, they know when mascara's coming up and they just look down.
So do I.
They're like, they know when this bit's coming, they just look straight up, and I'm like, or like when I'm taking their pictures.
So do I. I know when to look up and down. I count 3 seconds looking
Just
up,
like,
3
I
seconds
said that,
down.
and like, it's just about to leave my mouth, I'm like, and look, and they've already done it, and I'm like, bitch.
Yeah, like I count to 3 to 5 seconds.
It's a skill. So this is the best thing ever. You need it summer, winter, autumn, spring. Is there any other seasons?
No.
You need it in season 1, 2, 3, 4 on Stardew Valley. For the whole 28 days. I don't know. It's amazing. If I've not already put you on it, get on it. It's incredible. Oh, it feels so good. It's so good. So refreshing as well. Do you remember I don't know if anybody knows this or if this is like really niche to like being poor, but in the summer my mum would go to like the 99p shops, like the pound shops, and she'd get that like cooling mist that was like basically just water that come out really finely in the summer.
Yeah.
And you'd refresh yourself. This is like the legit version of that. It feels so good in summer to like revive yourself, but also when you're doing your makeup it like melts all those powders in so you don't feel as cakey and like heavy. And I'm just gonna put a little bit more extra highlighter on. Take pre-workout for the gym, doesn't really do anything for me. Caffeine don't wake me up. But if I'm around you, I've got all the energy in the world and I just look at this. Right, so.
You're my best friend, so.
Exactly. Oh, I got it on camera. I'm gonna hold that. Whenever you're like, I don't like you, I'm like, I got it on camera. Right. I forgot the most important part.
Is it the inside of the eye?
Yes, the inside of the eye. See, like, you know, I don't feel like myself if I haven't got like a really bright inside of the eye. Yeah, look at that. Like, look how much more awake and ready I am. Photoshop, don't need her. We just need a bit of this. That was a CHO2, by the way. Parkour! This is the finished look. Nice and glowy, nice and light. Doesn't really feel like I got anything on my face. I'm not pissed off with having shite on my face. Because it's hot, I actually feel quite light and like, I feel great. I feel like I look way better than I did before, so. You're the best little assistant ever. I'll put you on the end credits.
Better do.
Sat on the floor helping me. Have you ever had Krispy Kreme?
No.
They've got a Nutella one and it's amazing.
Oh my god. You should get me one. Just treat me to one for being your little assistant today.
pay you in donuts.
Just get me one.
I mean, like, on my taxes, the tax man being like, donuts as a taxable? I'll be like, it's how I pay. It's
And,
how I pay my staff.
and then that's your chocolate milkshakes for when I help you with your business.
Literally.
I just realised what the CH stands for.
What does it stand for? What does the CH in the French stand for, Lips?
Your name?
You are so funny! You are so funny!
Yeah, I just realised what it stands for.
What did you think it stood for
I
before?
don't know.
That's my name. Oh my god. Mad. See, Brexit, this is why Boris Johnson shouldn't have Brexited, because now McDonald's can't get their chicken. Right, I need to wipe this shit off somewhere. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, this is love. This is worth 2 donuts.
Yeah, give me 2 donuts. Bitch. After this, you better take me for some donuts.
We will definitely get donuts.
If there's not 2 for me, I will cry and sue.
I'm gonna sue you! coming on to Judge Judy, like, why are you suing her? We had a contract, a verbal contract, she was gonna buy me donuts. She didn't buy me donuts.
So I want 10 grand for emotional.
Don't buy donuts, straight to jail.
Yeah, you're gonna blind yourself.
I'll blind you. Blind my client and I'll be like, don't matter whether you like the makeup or not, you're blinded.
Anyway.
You get it blinded, you get it blinded, you get it blinded, everyone gets it blinded. Right, so this is the finished vajizzle. No. This is not that.